I was a boat stuck in a bottle that never got the chance to touch the sea. Just forgot on the shelf, no wind in the sails, going nowhere with no one to me. I was 1 in 100 billion, a burnout star in a galaxy. Just lost in the sky, wondering why everyone else shines out for me. But I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me has his arms around you, can make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours. I was a worn out set of shoes, wandering the city streets. Another face in the crowd, head looking down, lost in the sound of a lonely melody. And empty pockets and a roulette, always landing on a lost bet. And just live for the spin and hope for the win, go all in just to lose again. But I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me.
Hi, Kevin.
Take you, Pamela.
Take you, Pamela?
Okay, look above.
This way.
To be my wife,
To be my wife,
I promise to be true to you
I promise to be true to you,
in good times
good times
and in bad times,
and in bad times,
in sickness
in sickness
and in health.
and in health.
To love you,
To love you,
honor you,
honor you,
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
Very good. All right.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
All right. I, Pamela,
I can't more.
take Kevin
Take you, Kevin,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
I promise to be true to you
I promise to be true to you
in good times
in good times
and in bad times,
and in bad times,
in sickness
in sickness
and in health.
and in health.
I will love you
I will love you
and honor you
and honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
Amen.
Thank God I'm yours. Thank God I'm yours. Oh, thank God I'm yours. I was a boat stuck in a bottle that never got the chance to touch the sea. Just forgot on the shelf, no wind in the sails, going nowhere with no one but me. I was 1 in 100 billion, a burnout star in a galaxy. Just lost in the sky, wondering why everyone else shines out for me.
Get ready to put your hands together and make some noise for you. And the brutal Mr. World Businesses.
Can make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours.
One more time.
Someone once said, love isn't perfect, and it doesn't come easy. Love is overcoming obstacles, facing challenges, fighting to be together, holding on, and never letting go. Love is a short word, easy to spell, difficult to define, and impossible to live without. Love is work, but most of all, love is realizing that every hour, every minute, and every second of worth it is because you did it together. Now, if everyone could please raise their glass. I'd like to say congratulations to the bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs. Morales. Cheers.
Now, you're getting, I want you to understand this, you're getting the most caring, most supportive, most humble, and most loving best friend that anybody could ever ask for. And it's my pleasure to share it with you. I love you guys. Here's your glass. Cheers. Kevin and Pam.
Stuck in a bottle that never got the chance to touch the sea. But I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me had these arms around you. You make me better than I was before.